Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month we're teaching you the phrase 没问题, no problem.
没问题。
没问题, 没问题. Okay, that is no problem. All right. 那有的时候要委托人家带一些东西回来啦，这也会说，哎呀，好啦，没问题啦。
对呀，
对，
可以呀。
对，但有时候朋友心里是不是这样想不知道啦，可是也没办法，
我都什么都
只好带回来了。Okay. Anyways, let's say you're going out, to a very popular scenic area, and you want someone to bring something back for you, and let's put you in this situation. Especially this whole month, we're taking you to 花莲。哎，我记得好像花莲那边有一个光复糖厂，
卖冰的。
卖冰的 ，Yeah, there's a lot of great popsicles over there. So let's bring some back, okay? 我明天要去光复糖厂玩。I'm going to the 光复 Sugar Factory tomorrow.
爱田工艺，
爱田工艺，
爱去功夫同重了。
爱去功夫同重了。
爱田工艺，爱去功夫同重了。
对，这个同重就是那个糖厂啊，
糖厂，
对不对？同重 ，That's the Sugar Factory. Okay, I'm going to the 光复 Sugar Factory tomorrow. 好了，朋友就会说，帮我带一盒冰吧。
老爱天数带一盒饼。
老爱天数带一盒饼。OK，
一盒饼，
一盒饼就是
一盒冰
哦，是冰啊饼。All right, Ben, that's a popsicle or any sort of ice, shaped ice or popsicles. Okay, please bring me back a box of ice. 一盒怎么说？
一盒。
一盒 ，OK, that's 一盒。
然后我就让你吃多一点，没问题，10盒都可以。
是吗？是在讽刺还是说真的要带我10盒回来？
可以、啊。
真的吗？很重哦。
没问题。
Okay, Alice is saying, no problem, I'll bring you back 10 boxes.
没问题，10盒没做的。
没问题，10盒没做的。
10盒都做的。
10盒都做的。
对，
两种说法吗？
没做的，都做的，都可以。
都可以。Okay, 10盒都做的。Okay, that means even 10 boxes, no problem. 对，好 ，Let's review some of these phrases, such as tomorrow, 明天。
天公饮。
天公饮就可以吃到冰喽哈。然后呢，要叫冰 ，ban, that's ice. And finally saying I can or I could, 可以。
做的。
做的。And it's of course followed by 没问题。
没问题。
没问题啊，没问题跟做的这是一定会放在一起了，对不对？没问题，可以的。
OK。
Right. 好啊，明天期待你的10盒冰哦。And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.